Hi everyone, I'm Shu Mei. I'm here to share with you about our coral reef ecosystems. Here we go! Coral reefs can be categorized as one of the most biodiversity ecosystems on the Earth. They play an important role towards marine life and also humans. For marine life, the coral reefs provide them shelters and spawning grounds. Besides that, the coral reefs help in the regulation of carbon dioxide in the ocean and also provide protection from strong ocean current and ocean waves. Corals are invertebrate marine animals that are categorized in the phylum Cnidaria. Corals are known as reef builders as they will inhabit tropical oceans and secrete calcium carbonate to form hard skeletons that lead to the formation of coral reefs. A microalgae called zooxanthellae live symbiotically with the orioles in the ocean. Corals provide shelter for the zooxanthellae, whereas the microalgae zooxanthellae that are autotrophs provide nutrients through photosynthesis to the corals. Besides that, the zooxanthellae also contribute to the color of the corals. However, global warming that causes the rising of temperature has threatened the life of coral reefs. Studies found that even global ocean surface temperature increases by only 2 degrees Fahrenheit, it is able to lead to the coral bleaching events. Moreover, scientific studies found that the lowering of the pH due to the absorption of carbon dioxide into the ocean that makes the ocean acidic also reduces the population of corals. In the coral bleaching event, heat waves due to the increasing of the ocean temperature create a stress environment toward the heat-sensitive microalgae that live together with the corals. In a hot environment, the algae will release free oxygen radicals that will damage the coral's tissues, which results in the ejection of the microalgae from the corals, a process known as bleaching. The corals will fade and eventually die if the temperature remains high that prevents the microalgae from hosting to the corals again. This is because the corals cannot make their own food and therefore undergo starvation. As coral colonies serve as the foundations of coral reef ecosystems, their decline may translate into a loss of habitat for numerous plant and animal species that depend on them. Without living space and food sources, populations of reef-dependent marine life will drop precipitously. This can lead to the extinction of some marine species. It is time for us to protect coral reefs. No matter where you live, near the coast or hundreds of miles away, there are several things that you can do to keep the coral reefs healthy. Prevent water pollution by minimizing the use of fertilizers, recycling and disposing of trash properly, reducing stormwater runoff, and using eco-friendly modes of transportation such as cycling and walking to reduce the amount of greenhouse gases generated. Most importantly, spread the word. Learn more about coral reefs and educate your community. It is never too late to make a change. At least, you make the change. Thank you for watching.